What's up, guys? How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a knife. So I'm back on the mission, back on the grind. Checking out these knife companies I never owned before. Um, Popular brand, I'm sure, 704 Tactical. I've never owned one. Don't know why. Just never picked one up. Now I have one, so we're gonna check it out. See, this one's called the Dynamo. I got the black micarta version. There's a G10 version out there. Also, I think it's like a green color, if I'm not mistaken. But let's take this guy out. Um, I'm going to say it is a smaller knife. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. I know I need to get bigger knives, but what the heck, right? So it comes in a nice little pouch with their logo on it, which is pretty cool. I like pouches. And oh, we have stuff today. Cool. Yeah, I've been like getting a lot of knives without stuff. Guys, put stuff in your with your knives. I like it. I like stickers. I like cloths. I like all that stuff. So let's see what we got. So looks like two stickers. See, we got 704 logo there, like a little bullseye looking thing. And then you got a bear. So 704gear.com, a little advertisement, but I like stickers, so I'll put that on something or give it away or who knows. Anyways, then we got a lifetime warranty and a little picture of the knife on the back. Is that it? I wonder. I'm going to mess with that. That might be a sticker. Might have 3 stickers in one box. I don't know what to do with that. Anyways, I digress. So nice little microfiber cloth, really, with their little logo on it. Decent cloth. All right, cool. I love cloth. Then we got the pouch. Nice felt line, nice and soft, like a puppy dog. Anyway, here it is. Let's see what we got. So, right off the rip, I'm looking at the micarta scales. Look at that. You guys see that pattern on there? It's like a canvas pattern or like almost like checkered pattern on there. That's pretty cool. I like that. And the feel, of course, micarta. I love the micarta. So let's open it up and look. Try it again. Let's do a reverse flick. Okay, on time. Good thing. Good thing. Very smooth. Very smooth. Again, it's small and I have big hands. Dumb. Whatever. So, anyways, nice drop point blade on there with a call that a stone wash finish. Looks very nice. Let's feel the blade. Check for sharpness. Nice and sharp out of the box. Very sharp. Be careful. Be careful. Got a little jimping there for your gripping pleasure. Let's see the back. 14C. So not a bad blade steel for the price. I think it's a $30 knife. We'll call it that. It's like it ranges from 29 to 35 or something like that, but just call it a $30 knife. So it's definitely budget. The action's really nice. Surprised. Plunge lock. Not a huge fan of plunge lock, but if it works, it works. So, it is what it is. Looks pretty good. Blade play. Hold on a second there. Weird. So it doesn't feel like it's moving, but if you guys can pick that up, it's got a little bit of bend to it. So don't know if that's going to be an issue or not. But as far as like, you can't really feel it going back and forth. So I don't think it's a problem. Maybe I'm just muscling it a little too much, but a little tiny bit of blade play. So that is what it is. Ergos. Yeah. Feels good in the hand, even for a smaller knife. Can't really choke up on it because the sharpening choil is not really a finger choil, it's just a little sharpening choil. So you'll get your finger on edge of the sharp point there, and you don't want to do that because you cut yourself. As you can see, I don't know what the hell that's from. Anyways, I still have the Band-Aid on from the other one from work. Whatever. I'm clumsy. Let's see. Let's close it up. Feel the fit and finish real quick. It is reversible, so you got that going on for you. That's a good thing. Little tight lanyard hole. I'm not sure if you can get paracord through there. I'm sure. Yeah, you probably could. You probably could. No backspacer. It's kind of an open construction, which is fine. I don't mind that at all. Less parts to take apart and clean. Pocket clip. Very long pocket clip on there, and it's not a deep carry, but you only have like a tiny bit sticking out of your pocket. Not much at all. The hardware itself feels fine. Sticks out a little bit, but nothing where it's going to drag. And same with the pocket clip. You don't have anything sticking out. It's not recessed at all. Let's get that. It's not recessed, but I don't think it's be a problem sticking, grabbing your pocket and like that. But let's see if it's centered. Yeah, centered up pretty nicely. So yeah, it's going to be a kind of a shorter video, but not much to talk about because I'm not finding anything wrong with it. Really good action. And if I can reverse flick a small knife, it's set up right. And from the front too. Thumb studs are nice. Are they metal? Yeah. But Yeah, for a cheaper knife, being around the $30 range, being my Carta 14C, yeah, I'm liking it. So first one for the month is a winner so far, and I'm happy. So yeah, so that's that. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, thank you to the veteran folks out there, my brothers and sisters, and all you active guys. Please, guys, girls, stay safe out there, man. It's a nutso world. I hope you guys just duck and cover when you need to come home safely. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.